Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the violin. Make sure you stick around to the end so you can play along with me as a duet. Thank you for joining me here at Violin with Catherine today. If you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you are a regular, welcome on back. For Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we are going to use this pattern with our fingers. So I like to call this M for middle because the middle two fingers are together. So first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. Even though we won't actually be using our fourth finger in this tutorial. We will be using the A string as well as just our first finger on the E string. So we're going to start with our open A. A, then open E, E. First finger on the E, then open E. 3 on the A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A, open E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, open E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, open A, open E, E, 1 on the E, E, and open E, 3 on the A, 3, then 2, 2, 1, 1, open A. So you may note that some of our notes have a black head and a stem. They are called crotchets and they're worth 1 count each, or 1 beat each. The notes that have a white head and a stem are called minims and they are worth 2 beats each. When you play along with me as a duet, I'm going to have a lot of minims when you have crotchets. So don't be worried that you're not playing the same beats as me. You just keep on playing your notes. Just make sure you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4 in every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for joining me here today. I hope you have a lot of fun playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Please let me know in the comments what you would like to see in other videos and hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.